Right there, see?
Oh, yeah.
That's not done properly. It's not to code.
I think the awning needs to be fixed. The roof over the awning. Yeah, because look how it's bowing under here. Gutters look okay. Need some downspouts. I like the pitch. The pitch is high.
Under the snow, the downspout for that one.
Yeah, look over there.
Oh, that one's missing. It might just be from the weight, maybe?
Yeah. Windows are vinyl. Baseboards, floors, got a big hole in the floor, so you know it's gonna have a huge. Well, it's too cold for rodent probably, but.
Oh, it's a complete gut job.
Complete job.
There's nothing salvageable.
Nope, it's sunken floor right here. Definite foundational issues. I'll go down here.
Should I even come? It looks very wobbly.
It's all right. You can stay.
The steps need to be fixed.
Complete gut.
Yeah, see, even here, like, you'll see that they did some foaming and insulation there. That it wasn't properly sealed.
The burner is out, broiler's out.
There's a hole behind you, too. Yeah. These windows, either they don't close or they left them open for the birds.
And they're wood. You know what that is, right?
What?
It's lead paint.
Oh, heck. And the popcorn ceiling, this should just be completely.
Hey, you want to know what's interesting?
What?
This house just got winterized.
It's sloping here.
Yeah. This house just got winterized in December. So somebody was living here.
Look at this.
Radiator heat.
Yeah.
There's no central in here.
Nope. I don't even see any ducts.
Nope.
Sorry. There's only one bathroom.
One bathroom, one downstairs.
This gut too.
But it's leaning. Like, the whole house is leaning to.
Yeah.
This could be a demo.
This would have to be a complete demo. Well, if you've got a fixed foundation issue, that's
Exactly.
a lot of money. Because you need structural engineers.
So basically what we're looking at here is just the cost for the land.
Yeah. What is this listed at?
I don't know, I have to look again. Somebody was living here recently.
It's colder in this house than it is outside.
It's cold as a mug. All right,
And I have a mosquito.
complete demo. But it's interesting. It's very interesting. We're going to send a low offer.